Hi everyone, welcome to the 3 Minute Math YouTube channel where we go over the solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is from the 2005 AMC 10. This is question number 5. The store normally sells windows at $100 each. This week the store is offering one free window for each purchase of 4. Dave needs 7 windows and Doug needs 8 windows. How many dollars will they save if they purchase the windows together rather than separately? So if we look at this, Dave needs 7 windows and Doug needs 8 windows. So what you can do is we can consider a case where they buy separately and when they buy jointly. So when they buy separately, it's just 15 windows in total. But no, actually, so okay, yeah. So they have the week the store is offering one free window for each purchase of 4. So if he needs 7 windows, that means he's going to have to pay 4 for 100, 1 for 0, and then 2 for 100. And that's for Dave. And Doug is going to need to pay 4 for 100, 1 for 0, and then 3 for 100. Which means that the total over here is going to be 600. The total over here is going to be 700, which means that their total is 1,300 if they buy separately. Now, if they buy jointly, they're going to have to pay 4 for 100, 100 for 4 windows. They can get 1 window for free. They're going to have to pay 100 for 4 windows. Then they're going to get 1 for free. Oops. They're going to get 1 for free. Then they're going to have to pay $100 for each window, and they're going to have 4 of those, and then they're going to get 1 for free, and that's going to be 15 windows. Which means that their total is 12 times 100, which is 1,200, which means that they will save $100 if they buy jointly.